If you're a Louisiana cook, you use parsley. It's such an important part of our cuisine, and it's very easy to grow in the home garden. Now, why am I talking about it right now here while it's still cold in the winter? Because parsley is very hardy, doesn't like the heat, but it can be planted now. It'll take the freezes that we have and will actually grow during the mild spells during winter. So get your parsley planted either now or by late February, early March at the latest. If you wait until April or May to buy parsley and plant it, the heat is right around the corner and you'll get very little harvest. So get it planted now to grow robustly. There are two kinds of parsleys. This is the flat leaf parsley. It's considered a more flavorful parsley and is commonly recommended for cooking. The curly parsley is gorgeous. It's a very beautiful plant. It also has great flavor and can be used in cooking, but it's especially useful for garnishing, and it can actually be planted as a border in front of flower beds. It's that ornamental and attractive to look at. Now, parsley should be planted in well-prepared beds in a nice sunny location. Make sure it's close enough to the house where you can harvest it easier. And parsley also grows well in containers. You can transplant these into about 2-3 gallon containers and they'll produce very well for you. So when you hit your nurseries this winter, you're looking around and what's there, look for some parsley. The parsley will grow beautifully. You'll be able to harvest it and get a lot more from the parsley plants that you plant now than if you wait and plant them later on in the spring. Parsley, you can't cook without it here in Louisiana, and now is a great time to plant it. For Get It Growing, I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.